Allez, première attraction et qui va nous mettre de suite dans l'ambiance, l'immanquable StudioTour. Silence, moteur, action.
We are now heading into the back lot, where the world is literally just around the corner. We shoot the big stuff out here.
It's cool, guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets.
So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride.
Waouh, c'était du très haut niveau. Merci Kong. Oh, la DeLorean.
And action!
Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Carnage and Karma. Great examples of motion control technology, boys. Think about. Got any other moves for us, fellas? Oh, dance off. Watch out. All right, guys, how about one more round of applause for Carnage and Karma. Computer-controlled robotics like Carnage and Karma. Of course, house is very memorable to Montez and Juliet Moore. Now, while the set pieces and props are all here, guys, the dinosaurs are all extinct. So sit back with us. I think it's going to rain enough to cause a flood, you know? Actually, guys, that flood was the result of thousands of gallons of recycling.
But I am.
First.
Island, folks.
Get up, get up.
Oh no, that's George. Guys, we got to help me out here, folks. Oh, that's not good. We should probably get out of here. Alright, hang tight.
Yeah,
We're gonna head out. And the second house in, the gold one belongs to Gabrielle. Gabrielle's kind of a lovely evil Gloria. Next to that, we have the old Munster house here. This purple one to the left, that's 1313 Mockingbird Lane. Next to that, we have Susan on the left here. Susan is played by Terry Hatcher, the yellow house on the left. She lives right next door to Lynette in this pesto greenhouse coming up on the left. Lynette is played by Felicity Huffman. She lives there with her husband, who's played by Doug Savant, and their 5 children. Fun fact, Doug Savant actually starred with Marsha Foss, who plays Bree in the original Melrose Place on Fox years ago.
La Colonial Street, qui existe depuis 1946, a été repeinte en 2004 pour la série à succès Desperate Housewives, et détruite en partie pour les besoins de la saison 2 afin d'y créer le parc enfant et la maison d'Eddie Britt. Les filles en grande fan de Desperate Housewives sont surexcitées pendant la traversée de Wisteria Lane. Je les comprends, je trouve la série captivante également.
If there is one thing everyone in suburbia can appreciate, it's a good neighbor.
This is what remains of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise hides out the film. That's the actual 747 that was destroyed specifically for this incredible...
Vraiment sympa ce studio tour.